Hey everyone, and welcome back to Holistic Wellness Realm. Today, we're diving into the battle of the natural remedies, baking soda versus apple cider vinegar. We'll explore the amazing health benefits of these pantry staples and see which one comes out on top. Both baking soda and apple cider vinegar have earned their places in our kitchens and medicine cabinets for generations. But what exactly makes them so special? Get ready to be amazed as we break down the unique properties and remarkable uses of each contender. By the end of this video, you'll be a pro at incorporating these natural powerhouses into your daily routine for a healthier, happier you. Are you ready? Let's get started. In the world of natural remedies, baking soda and apple cider vinegar stand out as true champions. Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is a pantry hero known for its ability to neutralize acids and fight everything from indigestion to unpleasant odors. On the other hand, we have apple cider vinegar, a fermented wonder drink praised for its potential to regulate blood sugar, aid in weight management, and even improve skin health. In this video, we'll go beyond the hype and explore the science behind these natural powerhouses. From soothing an upset stomach to boosting your energy levels, we'll uncover the best ways to harness the power of baking soda and apple cider vinegar. So, whether you're a seasoned natural health enthusiast or just starting on your wellness journey, this video is for you. Let's kick off our health showdown with a closer look at baking soda, a true jack of all trades in the wellness world. This humble white powder, found in kitchens everywhere, boasts a surprising array of health benefits. You probably know it best for its ability to make cakes rise and cookies fluffy, but did you know it can also help neutralize stomach acid, whiten teeth, and even relieve itchy bug bites? When mixed with water, it creates a solution that can help balance pH levels, both internally and externally. It also possesses mild abrasive properties, making it a natural alternative to harsh chemicals in cleaning and personal care products. From scrubbing away stubborn stains to gently exfoliating your skin, baking soda truly lives up to its reputation as a versatile all-star. One of baking soda's most well-known uses is as a natural antacid. When heartburn strikes or indigestion rears its ugly head, baking soda can come to the rescue. Its alkaline properties work quickly to neutralize excess stomach acid, providing fast relief from discomfort. To experience baking soda's antacid magic, simply dissolve a teaspoon in a glass of water and drink it slowly. But baking soda's digestive benefits don't end there. It can also help relieve bloating and gas by neutralizing acids in the digestive tract. In the next section, we'll explore baking soda's surprising uses beyond the kitchen, from whitening teeth to soothing itchy skin. While baking soda shines in the kitchen, its talents extend far beyond baking and cooking. One of baking soda's most popular alternative uses is as a natural teeth whitener. Its mild abrasive properties help remove surface stains, leaving your smile brighter and fresher. Baking soda also doubles as a deodorant, neutralizing odor-causing bacteria. Its deodorizing properties also extend to your home. Sprinkle baking soda on carpets, furniture, or even in smelly shoes to absorb unwanted odors. Baking soda can soothe itchy skin, relieve sunburn discomfort, and even neutralize bee stings. As you can see, baking soda is a true multitasking marvel. Now let's turn our attention to the other contender in our health showdown, apple cider vinegar, a fermented elixir that has been prized for its medicinal properties for centuries. Made from crushed apples that have undergone a double fermentation process, apple cider vinegar is teeming with beneficial bacteria, enzymes, and acids that contribute to its impressive health-boosting potential. Unlike baking soda's alkaline nature, apple cider vinegar is naturally acidic, mainly due to the presence of acetic acid. This unique acidity gives apple cider vinegar its signature tangy flavor and contributes to many of its health benefits. From supporting gut health and boosting energy levels to promoting weight management and improving skin health, apple cider vinegar boasts a diverse resume of potential benefits. So, are you ready to uncover the secrets of this fermented wonder worker? Let's delve deeper into the specific ways apple cider vinegar can enhance your well-being. One of the most promising areas of research on apple cider vinegar revolves around its potential to support healthy blood sugar levels. Studies suggest that acetic acid, the active compound in apple cider vinegar, may help improve insulin sensitivity, allowing your body to utilize glucose more effectively. For individuals with type 2 diabetes or those looking to manage their blood sugar levels, incorporating apple cider vinegar into their diet might offer some benefits. Apple cider vinegar has also gained popularity as a potential weight loss aid. Some studies suggest that apple cider vinegar may contribute to weight management by increasing feelings of fullness, reducing calorie intake, and potentially boosting metabolism. A simple way to incorporate apple cider vinegar for weight management is to mix 1 to 2 tablespoons with a glass of water and drink it before meals. Beyond its internal benefits, apple cider vinegar also shines as a natural beauty ingredient. Its antibacterial and antifungal properties make it a popular choice for treating various skin conditions such as acne, eczema, and dandruff. For acne-prone skin, apple cider vinegar can help balance the skin's pH, reduce inflammation, and fight bacteria that contribute to breakouts. Apple cider vinegar can also soothe itchy, irritated scalps associated with dandruff. Its acidic nature helps balance the scalp's pH and control the growth of Malassezia globosa, a yeast-like fungus that can contribute to dandruff. Furthermore, apple cider vinegar can add shine and luster to dull hair. Use a diluted apple cider vinegar rinse after shampooing and conditioning for a natural hair shine boost. All right, folks, it's time for the main event. We've explored the incredible benefits of baking soda and apple cider vinegar individually, but now it's time to put them head-to-head and see how they measure up. First up, let's talk about availability and affordability. Both baking soda and apple cider vinegar are readily available in most grocery stores and are incredibly budget-friendly. When it comes to taste, baking soda and apple cider vinegar couldn't be more different. Baking soda has a slightly salty, alkaline taste that some people might find unappealing. Apple cider vinegar, on the other hand, has a pungent, sour taste that can take some getting used to. Luckily, both ingredients can be easily mixed with water, juice, or other ingredients to mask their taste. While baking soda and apple cider vinegar may seem like polar opposites with their contrasting tastes and chemical properties, they actually share some surprising similarities and overlapping health benefits. One area where both ingredients excel is in their ability to neutralize odors. Baking soda, with its alkaline nature, effectively absorbs and neutralizes acidic odors, making it a popular choice for freshening refrigerators, carpets, and even smelly shoes. Apple cider vinegar, while acidic itself, can also combat odors thanks to its antibacterial properties, which help eliminate odor-causing bacteria. Both baking soda and apple cider vinegar have also been recognized for their potential digestive benefits. Furthermore, both ingredients possess antimicrobial properties that can contribute to overall health. While baking soda and apple cider vinegar share some common strengths, they also have their own distinctive benefits that make them suitable for different health needs. Baking soda truly shines as a quick-acting remedy for acid-related issues. Its alkaline nature makes it a powerful tool for neutralizing excess stomach acid, providing fast relief from heartburn, indigestion, and acid reflux. Baking soda can also be used topically to soothe itchy skin, neutralize bug bites, and even whiten teeth. Apple cider vinegar, on the other hand, excels in its potential to support blood sugar balance and promote weight management. Studies suggest that acetic acid in apple cider vinegar may improve insulin sensitivity and help regulate blood sugar levels. When choosing between baking soda and apple cider vinegar for a specific health concern, it's essential to consider their unique properties and potential benefits. While baking soda and apple cider vinegar are generally safe for most people when used in moderation, it's important to be aware of potential side effects and use them responsibly. Baking soda, when consumed in large amounts or too frequently, can cause digestive upset, electrolyte imbalances, and even interact with certain medications. Apple cider vinegar, being acidic, can erode tooth enamel if consumed undiluted or in excess. It's always recommended to dilute apple cider vinegar with water or juice before consuming it, and to avoid swishing it around your mouth. As with baking soda, it's best to talk to your healthcare provider before using apple cider vinegar regularly, particularly if you have any health concerns or are on medication. Remember, natural remedies are not a substitute for professional medical advice. If you're experiencing persistent health issues, seek guidance from a qualified healthcare professional. Real-life remedies, baking soda in action. Let's bring baking soda to life with some practical examples. Imagine this. You've enjoyed a delicious but slightly spicy meal. That familiar burning sensation creeps up your chest. Heartburn. Don't panic. Baking soda is here to save the day. Mix a teaspoon of baking soda in water and sip it slowly. It neutralizes excess acid, providing soothing relief. But baking soda's talents extend beyond the dinner table. Notice a stubborn deodorant stain on your favorite shirt? Make a paste with baking soda and water, apply it, and launder. The stain will lift, leaving your shirt looking good as new. For itchy bug bites, baking soda can be a lifesaver. Dab a bit of paste onto the bite to neutralize the itch. Baking soda, it's like having a mini first aid kit in your pantry. Now let's see apple cider vinegar in action. Imagine starting your day with a refreshing and healthy twist. Instead of reaching for sugary drinks, try adding a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar to a glass of water with a squeeze of lemon. This simple morning tonic can help kickstart your metabolism, balance your blood sugar levels, and set a positive tone for the day ahead. Next, let's head to the kitchen. You're whipping up a delicious salad for lunch and want to add a zesty, flavor-packed dressing. Skip the store-bought options loaded with unhealthy additives and make your own with apple cider vinegar as the star ingredient. Combine apple cider vinegar with olive oil, Dijon mustard, honey, and your favorite herbs and spices for a dressing that's both healthy and delicious. And for a natural shine boost after your next hair wash, try an apple cider vinegar rinse. Simply mix equal parts water and apple cider vinegar in a spray bottle and spritz it onto your hair after shampooing and conditioning. Let it sit for a few minutes before rinsing thoroughly. The acetic acid in apple cider vinegar will help smooth down hair cuticles, leaving your locks soft, shiny, and manageable. As we've explored throughout this video, both baking soda and apple cider vinegar offer a wealth of health benefits. But remember, the best remedy for you ultimately depends on your individual needs and preferences. What works wonders for one person may not have the same effect on another. The key is to listen to your body and pay attention to how it responds to different remedies. Experiment with incorporating baking soda and apple cider vinegar into your routine and see what feels best for you. Perhaps you find that a baking soda drink helps settle your stomach after a heavy meal, while a daily dose of apple cider vinegar in water helps balance your energy levels throughout the day. Remember, health is not a one-size-fits-all journey. It's about finding what works best for your unique body and lifestyle. Embrace the power of these natural remedies, experiment, and enjoy the process of discovering what makes you feel your healthiest and happiest. And don't forget to share your experiences with us. Leave a comment below and let us know your favorite ways to use baking soda and apple cider vinegar. We love hearing from our amazing holistic wellness realm community. So after diving deep into the wonderful worlds of baking soda and apple cider vinegar, who emerges as the ultimate champion? Well, it's a tie. Both of these pantry staples deserve a standing ovation for their versatility and the sheer range of health benefits they offer. Baking soda, the alkaline wonder, swoops in to save the day when heartburn strikes, helps whiten our smiles, and even tackles tough stains around the house. Apple cider vinegar, the fermented hero, steps up to support blood sugar balance, may aid in weight management, and even adds a healthy shine to our hair. It's like comparing apples and oranges, or in this case, apples and, well, baking soda. They're both fantastic in their own unique ways, and the best choice for you truly depends on your individual needs and preferences. Remember, health is a journey, not a destination, and what matters most is finding what makes you feel your best. Sometimes you might need baking soda's quick-acting relief, while other times, apple cider vinegar's gentle support might be just what your body craves. The real takeaway from our baking soda versus apple cider vinegar showdown is the incredible power of natural remedies. It's empowering to know we can turn to simple, readily available ingredients to support our well-being. Baking soda and apple cider vinegar remind us that nature provides an abundance of tools to help us thrive. By incorporating these natural powerhouses into our routines, we nourish our bodies from the inside out. Let's celebrate the incredible synergy between nature and health. Remember to like this video and subscribe to Holistic Wellness Realm for more health tips and natural remedies.